So I just finished Season 3 of Upload. If you aren't familiar, it's a capitalistic dystopian near future where you can upload your consciousness into a VR world. Capitalistic dystopian part being you pay your way. It's a great show. Unfortunately, my nerdy little brain has nitpicked it enough that I have found out that the year 2033 time frame is far too generous. But Rick, it's just a TV show. Shut up, I'm having fun. What triggered me was they were handing out people on standard 3.5-inch hard drives.
Our son was killed in the Lud riot.
Yeah, that started me down a rabbit hole. Starting with, how much storage space would a human brain need? Luckily, they had an answer for that in universe.
And the human brain holds 2.5 million gigs.
Don't talk unless we ask you a question.
That means they expect us to have 24 petabyte hard drives by the year 2033. Now, why a mechanical hard drive and not flash memory? Well, because flash memory has a tendency to degrade if it's not powered, even after a year. Might be pretty bad results for a human consciousness. Mechanical magnetic memory will be around for a while yet. It's all about increasing storage density. And right now, manufacturers such as Seagate are able to get about 1.2 terabits per square inch. Currently, with 10 platter drives, getting about 18.7 inches of usable space on the platter. Works out to about 2.4 terabytes per platter, like you get in the Seagate Exos 24 gigabyte drive. The Advanced Storage Research Consortium is projecting densities of 10 terabyte per square inch by the year the show takes place. That's still only going to yield a 233 terabyte drive. 350 if you increase it to 15 platters. I calculated we would need to reach 54 terabytes per square inch with 20 platters in order to store that 25 petabytes of one mushy human brain. Well before that, coercivity and super paramagnetism are gonna make that near impossible. Now, say we get past all that. A linear projection shows we wouldn't be getting anywhere near that until the year 2090. Hopefully by then, the Vulcans would have introduced us to something a little better than magnetic memory storage. Maybe they'll mind meld our Katra into the VR world.
Remember.
But as it turns out, data storage is the least of this show's problems. They would have to have absolutely stunning transfer speeds. Examining the upload scene in the Season 3 premiere, there's about 0.83 seconds between when the brain is scanned and that drive gets pulled. Ignoring the quantum computer level of processing power required for the moment, it would also require a 24.1 petabit per second interface. That would be like a super advanced 24-lane optical interface. For a modern ultra-fast hard drive today, that would take 52 days, 5 hours, and 30 seconds. I couldn't get any quality data to support my actual write speed calculations. It came out to like 180 days, so I think something's wrong. But if that drive employs physical actuators like depicted in the show, those heads gotta be traveling like warp 4.5.
Neptune and back in 6 minutes.
So I really do appreciate the prop department and producers staying grounded and not giving us some silly see-through lit-up plastic thing. But do know you're just gonna risk nerds like me nitpicking it apart. But if y'all want to hook me up with a premium suite at Lakeview, I'll keep my mouth shut.
Thank God.
Upload complete.